One of the most common responses I get when I talk to people about moving is, where would I go if I sold this house? And the answer to that depends, of course. I don't recommend anyone sell their house without knowing where they're going to go. My best response is to respond with a question back. I would say, that depends. If you could go anywhere in the world, where would it be? And that really gets people thinking. And of course, the answer is different for everyone. But here are the top 4 options that I think you should consider if you're one of these people asking yourself that question. Number 1 option, relocating to a different state. According to statistics published by U-Haul, they obviously know all about moving. The top 10 states with new people coming in are Texas, Florida, Tennessee, South Carolina, Arizona, Indiana, Colorado, Maine, Idaho, and New Mexico. Now, Florida and Texas you may have expected to see on that list, but what's most interesting is states like Tennessee, South Carolina, Colorado, Maine, and Idaho. They weren't anywhere near the top 10 2 or 3 years ago, and now here they are. So if you've been to any of these states, maybe you've never considered living there, now might be the time for you to think about that. Number 2 option you should consider is staying local. Moving to a home with lower maintenance. It doesn't necessarily have to be a downsize, although it could be. It doesn't have to be an apartment or a condo. There's some great townhome communities with awesome amenities and exterior maintenance that's taken care of by an HOA. I made this move myself a few years ago. Even with 4 kids at the time, we had no regrets whatsoever. We've even highlighted some of these specific neighborhoods that we love and that we love doing business in our other videos on our YouTube channel. So you can check those out too. Your third option, number 3, you can stay semi-local, but move to a different township or in a different school district or county with lower taxes and more affordability. So here in Pittsburgh, we've got 5 or 6 counties surrounding within 30 or 45 minutes from downtown Pittsburgh. So if you're not commuting to a job anymore that's near or in the city, then any one of these outlying areas may be great for you. If you want to stay close to your friends and family, you don't want to move out of the state, but a half-hour drive is okay. There's a lot of great neighborhoods that we've helped a lot of clients move, from the North Hills to areas like South Butler and Economy and Beaver County. We've helped clients in the South Hills move southwest to Washington and the other part of Beaver County. We've helped clients in the east move to Westmoreland and Armstrong County. Number 4 option, new construction. It's pretty well known at this point that inventory is low of existing homes on the market for sale. We're still helping our clients who are buying find homes on and off the market every single day. However, a lot of second and third home buyers are going for new construction. If you're looking to make a lot of updates, improvements, or customizations to your next home, or even in your current home, then starting from scratch with a builder who's going to allow you to choose all of your own finishes and options could be a great option for you. So those are the 4 outside the box options we're helping people with every single day. Of course, when you look at combining 2 or more of these options, the possibilities really become endless. So if you're not against having a conversation about these options and others that could work for you, reach out to my team and I. You can text options to 412-204-7092 or visit our website, myhomereality.com. Thanks for watching. As always, if you got some value out of this video, please feel free to share it on your social media. Thanks again.